look at yourself. Look at where you are. Look at what you've been through. You've given everything, your time, your love, your effort, and yet you still feel empty. You still feel lost. Why? Because you're chasing one who doesn't value you. You're holding on to someone who has already let go of you. It quote, it's time to wake up. It's time to leave. Not because you hate her, not because you want revenge, but because you owe it to yourself to move on. Know your value. You are not an option. You are not a backup plan. You are not someone's second choice. You are worthy of real love, of genuine respect, of the kind of loyalty that doesn't waver. But how can you expect someone to value you when you don't even value yourself? How can you demand love when you keep settling for less? This is not about her anymore. This is about you. Your happiness, your peace, your future. The pain of letting go. I know it hurts. I know it feels like your heart is being ripped apart. You invest so much. You had dreams together. You saw a future with her. And now that vision is gone. But listen to me. You're not losing her. You're finding yourself. You can't build a kingdom with someone who doesn't see you as a king. You can reach greatness if you're stuck begging for love. And you damn sure can't grow if you keep holding on to what's breaking you. The power of walking away. Walking away is not weakness, it's power. It's choosing yourself when no one else will. It's proving that your self-respect is worth more than temporary comfort. You may feel alone right now, but loneliness is better than settling. It's better than wasting years of your life in a relationship where you're undervalued. There's a version of you out there, stronger, happier, unstoppable. But you'll never meet him if you stay stuck in the past. What's next? Rebuilding you. So what now? You grind, you focus, you rebuild. Turn your pain into power. Hit the gym, work on your dreams. Level up in every way possible. Let the pain fuel you. Let the heartbreak sharpen you. Let the lesson make you wiser, because one day she will look back. And when she does, she won't recognize the man you've become. And by then, you won't care. This is your wake-up call. Leave her. Walk away. Choose yourself. Not for revenge. Not to prove a point. But because you finally understand your worth. And when you do that, when you truly put yourself first, the right person, the right love, the right life will find you. So go, never look back.